Well, good morning to you all. This is Kerfatu. Well, on our way to work, we heard that there was a demonstration here at the Caraba Beach Hotel, and we understand that there are 3 different international conferences going on. So we decided to come and find out why this is. All right. Okay. So we're just going to listen to this gentleman talk about what happened.
Junior staff will be done. Many alonko iketa. Ibuke jog sarale mi alko abetiata. Transport for aba demito. Wo for ama betia. Kemeluli ko laka. Yo kemelulu la wuli kini keme dalasi kemeka wo mu jellati. Gamme masukunda. Molo. Ali na moy bank. Ala calculate. Mathematician on siata dunia le. Medical memu jata kende a fonti. Tumando wo bina la ba fulani ele. Ndolo jata kende aba place o mito bi. For Balfada. Ni boto ni nata na domor na fon jibe iko Karaba ko min dundu Gambia banko kanja wo kete ni Gambia ko jang Karaba staff on wala fam futa dunia staff on bet i batata ila jantel ma betiari an manager be bantol bulo kon jang fam amake manager timi yalo ko Karaba leftala inay do ko ke ni na sisino ko Ando, don't pass him over to Mutoto. Don't come back to me for Alcabolonia. I tell you, what I'm going to HRT. What I come to call him Masakunda in Tori. But Roman Talanya told him to let it. And Amado Polo. And the Kato Tabulo. Ama Palaso Soto. More than a minute to do it, but send it and you lose, send him one. The mess staff for the Gambia Luak on the bank. I didn't know when you had to know back in the Gambia Masakunda. I didn't know when you had to know my car to sort it. I didn't know when you had to know Kumo Abakatoma Akalamoy. Hotel Natamurun and Hotel of Waffle and Tolin Chicken and Bitilok. The Lahida me bet and Tolly. Lahido had created the meeting matter. Ikonako Karaba Yamindu. I never salary. FDI mem Tatang. Apota Yenola Natamurunda. You couldn't let a Muruna. Karaba staff on the Mina, Ibilaka, Mana FDI la Flacoach. In not a meeting point. Not a Baranda. The Baranda Flaco more. Meeting point Nanata. Yamina start to take it. The staff for the Bosta Karaba staff is 350 staff working. But presently, Karaba staff is 124. 124 for Akajina, more 50 and there by Karaba again. I know. Minafola and this like make it a thing. You can't talk to the hotel. You couldn't put any strike like it. More follow the Clementi. Woman can join you at the Bill Silu from that. He can't be able to be done there by that. I know. Makupati Amulade, Gamma Sakunda. Don't call me to the hotel Colajam. I told him Masakunda to me, I sent a gentle one on your hotel. I told something Gamen do on Yafitano. Ni leta fang. And honey sasata fang. Idi for ni doctor adina. Ika kamfa bulo kono. Make it a healthy dang. Maybe dang. No so. I want to give a former secunda for the most sasata jefo. Near idi de la fabata. Bantala idi can reject the fang. Bonus on Tota doku de la fiber can join. Saliblan Barkin Bina Camera Samala Salda Jibe. I didn't tell you Double Academy. Ali Ajibang. Ali Jana Pula, Arena Kamon Tatamito. Ali JB. Mokala Manager Bumula Cafeco. No. Near Domoro can you pareta. Yagabula Bukamoko. Ganabi Kuluka Konto Muka Sima Muka Dasa Karabadang. What the little not a baby. Karabado Kutasodang, and so for Dokutaso. Unseen. Punga Masakuna Namifo. I can more left me like killing. The first priority make the salary increasement, staffment, and health has to be considered. At the same time, Kafako, we have more than 6 months. Yes, indeed, the bar staff, Manafala. And the Gambia law makoti. Near motor for 6 months, you have to staff it. But motor block for 20 years. And now I'm for the Woody. I've been working Karaba for 20-something years with Aswandi. I know Karaba more than anybody here. But still now, we the casuals here. I'm among the casuals. I'm not a staff still now. Yes. At the same time, President, he said you learn Jeko. He said the Minister ko. I hotel around back. We have been working for the hotel for more than 20 years. Yes. With the President Jawara, with the board of directors here. Many are okay hotel and monitor. In the staff of Kakacha. But throughout these 5 years, since we are every year, even the idea to move from Asotatan. Many are okay from in the staff of Kakacha. Yes. But after that, you get a problem alone. Yes. But after the death, we don't have it. Mr. Barrow, Mr. President, you go. Gambia, let us be united. We are united. No democracy, no violence. No violence. That's why I want a peace. Until a true police. That's a good run. More than 9 years. Manager boo xam ne respect pour staff tamit joxul leen jum moom dafa woon ne lu wax rek is final decision am is final is irreversible moom lu wax rek mooy suba bengoon du déglu kenn lu ko neex la moo def bu mu ñëwee last April bi passé nii dafa génne 10 people mu toog loole ñu ngi wax mu di following moom mu génne 15 people mu ne staff mu ne dafa overstaff staff yi dañ bëri te Kairaba fii bu Kairaba cuk ba léegi 350 staff dañ dee nekk si biir hôtel right now ñu ngi am less than 200 staff waaye ba léegi mu ngi wax overstaff mu ne dafa wàññi another 50 staffs loo xamante ne musuta am Kairaba ñun even off season sax Kairaba duñ dee staff Kairaba musuta tëj Kairaba every day ñu ngi dugal ay millions waxuma 1 million ay millions laa wax every day dañ koy dugal Kairaba every day ñu ngi am fonction yoo xamante ne benn fonction mu nekk million la ñoo fay benn fonction bu nekk ñun duñ am lekka bu baax salary sa salary suñ la ko fayee mënoo jënd saaku maalo yes sa salary bu la ko fayee mënoo fay saaku maalo te last time bu waxee mu ne staff yi dañ bëri dafa overstaff dafa toogloo staff yi pare moom si boppam mu dem jëli on staff mu ñëw indi leen si biir ñu leen a fay moo daan lu mu fay ñun mu jël leen teg ko seen suñ kaw li ñooñu wax la moo def suba benn ñun muy ëpp di si kantin boo xamante ne mu génnee si kantin boo am nañ fa AC am nañ fa fan am nañ fa everything mu ngi clean be mu génneñ fa yóbbu si benn dos room foofu store ay toogu yaak table lañ fa doon fa
kooku nu mu tudd
noonu foofu amul AC amul fan amul ndox ñu ne ko jiyeen fii dafa tàng fii doomi aadama mënu fii lekka fii doomi aadama mënut fii lekka so
soo lekkee amoo foo raxasu fii dafa tànga ku la lekka mu lekka ku munta lekka nga dem te ku lekka ba pare nga dem si xama yi nga dem raxasu foofu ndax mun nañoo tontu loolu te loolu moo war nañu koo tontu joytu nañ ko bu mu ñëwee fii ba léegi dafa dañ ko oote meeting si jàmm xol bi moo daan 3 times suñ demee pour wax ko suñ problème duñu déglu moom su demee ba wax ba pare dafa wax ne is close no question mu génn a dem kenn du ko laajte yónni nañ suñ comité 3 times si moom mu ngee ba wax nañ suñ HR boobu taxawalut ñu HR tey soo taxawee lii di fay sa right sax jiyam su demee si moom mu daxala def laa daxa te moom HR fii démba ñun xam nañ démbaam de ku ñëw tey moo ko xamu de xam nañ démbaam xam nañ barki démbaam am nañ tey démba ak barki démba lu mu doonoon Kairaba fii ba tey soog a ñëw ñun xam nañ ko te bu mu tax ñu wax ñun soxla wuñu ko parce que taxaw liggéeyam bi mënut ko benn am certificat bu baax sax amut ko amul certificat bu baax sax Kasia la ñëwee Kairaba fii dafa ñëw ak Kasia ñu jël ko puus ko jël ko jox ko xëcc soo demee di ko wax sa problème soo demee di ko wax sa problème sax mu ne la mënuma si dara soo demee nga am sa on métti nga war a dem si xëcc jooju ko mu ne la mënuma si dara loolu la laa tontu mënuma si dara jiyam lu wax ñoom moom seen dem kër ba ñoom ñooy waa kër gi ñun wax dañ ko mën man personnally lii bëggoon nañ koo yàggal def man personnally man organisation naa fi benn am ku génn fii dem wax ko ne Mariama mu ngi organise kay mu oma fii si staff entrance bi mu xool mu ne ma dem uy ko officer ma dem mu ne ma dama dégg ñu ne da nga organise ma dama su ma amee juróomi nit sa def ko parce que dañ soor mu ne ma yow casual ma ne ko waaw parce que loolu yàgg naa koo dégg casual boobu noonu yàgg naa koo dégg fii ñun suñ ñaari staff yaa ngi nii dañ fi am accident bu ñoo ñëw liggéey dañ am accident keneen ki suma fellow security 1 month mu ngi kooma Banjul lopitaan 3 months feeñ ko salarié 3 good months feeñ ko salarié bu mu jógee kooma buñ koy bàyyi si lopitaan bi ñu jox ko 7 months idi HR mu ne kooku mu ngi ni kooku mooy kii moto moo ko tampoon mu ngi ñëw liggéey mu ngi tudda Siaka Bojang buñ ko joxee 7 months idi HR mu ne loolu dafa bëri nit ko xamante ne yaa ngi xalaat ndax dina dee am na koo xamante ne kooku mu ngi tëdd ba léegi kooku 2 months mu ngi tëdd lopitaan kooma kooku tam daf doon ñëw liggéey moo tax tampon ko kenn xamul dina jóg wala du jóg kenn xamul ku ne dafa jóg
Kairaba la ko problème siata manque clienti ni ko mba ko la jambi ko la jambi baran te na saale la accident September ni Karola na 1 year fombe wuli la konte wuli la alala ndema wuli ka mbe l'hôpital 6 days koma kadiamu mandiamu ale ma ko fon kende ya ko bi fele ko mbedo ko ale kabin mbe l'hôpital na HR I need for a 3 months they are not amanjo na salary 3 months and dimbayal be mbulu menyanta nyanta men dañe la anu be wande bu ngale ko end of month asa ko nyanta ko so ni man te jo be ko do so and I carry along the content I was a doctor I was on the treatment for 3 months shit amanjo ni andela ko manjam
the answer and the question from the manager. This is how we solve he said,
oh, sorry.
Yes, not yes, sir. What's your hand?
Can you summarize? Because you were very nice.
Hey.
I have many problems in the clinic. First thing, if I request my medicines, it's always very difficult to get on time. Sometimes all my medicines will finish in the clinic, so I have to refer patients to begin. For that reason,
Hey.
recently, last week, I got a patient who got malaria. But my malaria treatment all are finished. I do not have any medicine with me there for malaria treatment. The patient was lying down there. I don't have any vehicle for the patient. That day, I went to HR. I explained the matter to HR. They told me that there is no vehicle. The vehicle is going for emergency at Banjul. Instead of taking the patient to Banjul, to the clinic, they take the vehicle to Banjul for their own official business. And the patient is lying down in the clinic. The medicines, if they are finished, if I request them, they will tell me that the medicines are too much. And they are not seeing the patients I'm referring, and they are not seeing them. They said the medicines I'm requesting are too much. They will cut it. So, and pertaining to ED also, if I give ED, sometimes they complain that the ED is too much. ED I'm giving here is not more than 3 days. I give only 3 days. If the patient is not better, then I will tell the patient to come back. If the patient is not better, then I can adjust the ED again. If I give more than 3 days, they call me. So people are working here for them. But when they are sick, I'm sorry. Now I want to.
So what do you guys want now? So what do you want? What is the way
I
forward?
want when I request medicine, this is my side. They leave me to request the medicine that I need because they don't know this. They don't know anything about medicine.
Okay.
I have one patient. Is it last month? I referred the patient at the hospital. There was no the driver took the patient to the hospital. They gave the driver a warning letter. And pertaining to my medicine.
Just stop.
We are mature people. We listen, we can with some people who want to address the public.
Okay.
So we listen very carefully. And we are mature people, no making noise.
Okay.
As a nurse for the whole hotel, I'm employed here as a casual.
Let me continue. Go.
I am employed here as a casual. 6 months contract. I went to the HR. I explained the matter to HR that the 6 months contract is not favorable to me. I have my certificate. I come here with my certificate. I don't come here through the back door. And they employ me as casual. I lodged the complaint to HR several times. I want to see the GM. When I went there, she told me that the GM is busy. I was unable to meet with this GM. I'm on the six months contract. When the contract is finished, it means I'm not guaranteed. The whole hotel now. And I'm here with my certificate.
Can you turn down your camera, please? Because I cannot be on camera, please.
Why?
Yeah, no. From Harrison Investment, you can help him. If you introduce him, you'll know why.
Okay, go on. We're going to turn the camera.
But I will take recordings and saying that he doesn't want to be shown. No? But look like that.
Listen carefully. Okay, let's listen to each other, and then we'll come to some agreement that will favor all of us. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. I am Mr. Victor Demba. I'm from Office of the President, in charge of TDA. The whole entire TDA is under me. I had the news. I had a copy with me. We've come to a conclusion. We have all seen all your demands. We've discussed it at length with GM, and all demands will be considered. For that being the case, you have so many international issues, international meetings going on here at your Kairaba Hotel. We urge all of you to go back and continue on your work. All your list issues will be taken care of. GM, now you listen. Very soon, please, very soon. GM is here. And listen. Wait. Now, let's listen to each other. Please. Allah domandoma. Nda ukili wala ndabangolam. Allah domandoma. Ndeko mbatala la mbaka ku blood ku nga nyimbe ka ala afunya aketa nyama. Ando soba. Alo songa ufana ali fana jibe. Ala fanya fali. Ala sala ma fana salong. Ala kana kirai. Ala murung. Mo jibala yab do ko. Do pro Senegal, do pro UK. Ibe biang ibe do ko la. O mo embarrassment na ba ko kono. At sango ba ko sama ngato. Ano ni ni jam close o e ko ki janna aso tra mun dola ninti dante allo ko do gata do man mbang na bankolam promo for sebkat ajarano nga do man dialogue nga kacha abe banale na le bodo na nyin promo be handal mo jalbe nyela because abnya I only say fu dat fragende be nyin promo be sof la tabela
Assalamu alaikum.
Problem o do softale.
la notole amamba do softale
Ali Lamoy bam, please. Ali Lamoy.
yes
Ndele folo na da jangal taraja. Ngal promise. Kale ko jim problem wa bo solve la. Ike moyle. Dunga solve tale. Na solve jama mom fon.
angal kambe
A solve tale. Ike moyle. Redundancy mi jama sila. Wotije. Killing. Woman taraje ta mobile. Anala sali dula. Albo maintain nale. Allow staff canteen alba daming alba tulo wotole. Wol be solve tale. Eke moyle. So sign mo leba mitinola. Ilafta puru alta muru aleta do kola. Sorry, alin lamoy. Allah salary falam ba kafulale. Eke moyle. Wo nga itandala back because lota kuntola nga itandala wo bakelale. Eke moyle. But na ka bu mo condition la when tol falanta fo no la le ko when because fonin sita mansa care. Eke moyle bon tol ba make so la le ko allo nyanto alla right soul aya futandal ma alla fala nyamen.
Thank you.
Because that's on banko dingol leti. Bajol watu alilla moy. Bajol akodo minna alka futandal la dimbaya la mawja. Alla kodo ka stage an ay tol ni ta katala tol ta ka stage an. So don ta wuliya folali. Eke mwele. So min bije dron konna boss ya fo nyamen. Lafta la te fango ye diama li alplo ya moya bo min fala. Eke mwele because na yo mitino leke ala HR fele jan sengo.
Bella problem. Sai. Al nim para regan. La la na jalla mala jalla. Abinala asia fali la men ni Complètement asia na do nani lo. Kantima bidamin. Abenen damin. Almana fay boje. Kire. Salibula almana fay boje. Kali dula alwana fa boje fula. Kodi. Ni on dansi. Ko fana kuma fula. Ani ko nguno sia da ko kala wala wala. Obi fotale. Nani nyaw musarali le fi. Ya na wedno. Kala ma bara folo. Nani nyaw musarali increase.
Ani staff
domoro. Wala mu ndama. Okay, sai ngala we. Yo sai ngala we. Ninkom bani kudo minata. E kari wo sei do na kidan folo. Ntana ta njisola. Ntana ta njisola. Ada bana wa nyofi. Ya minfo. Don da ko da nyinul. Masakare wol kila from ala office. Okay. Ande ma nyini je. Yaje ko nata. Imala fi sila ni. Imala fi sila ki kote. So nim bota jam bi ngamela ko anyo ngata kala kote kato GRTS yafo. Ya se ka bala. Wo mambe ya na ba ko turu simi. Ado si zo itale. Mimbe ndola si turin sama na nyato. Mbe ngamela mbe wala ngamela. Mbe wala hami. Yo sai ali ngala we alfano ataba fala le na ko tamina
Assalamu alaikum. Me daniro kala. Odo modo damit. Ali la mo tom batu tom. Ali la mo ngala wala. Ali la moy. Jambo fala siyo meta. Meda sirin jam biri sa ko talan sey be jam fo say. Ni ajam fintide nang pour que nanam banta. Nga nang kuma fale min sotota. Ñun be miti on kan time na ñun man diamu sotono. Telefono bul. Biri nang head office Spain, Germany. Ibela moy kew. Office of the President. Ñin nata fo ako say nga so time la because even the system o kono. Mr. Hun se min be safe ana min fa ka ñun ko solve immediately. So ntol na ko sign ba nga ñin ci baro so tate bul nang nga findin na mol fanan kan ni esi nga kacha mimbe keri nga fo mimbe ke bu meta sirim bandam fan ya lo mimbe keri pour ya lo wo ñam sign nata wala pour ka falie isaje mimbe je tol se kuma domen dim falie aliya moy nga nana nga si me kol kala ñami ni mimbe nga fotenti itol be sonta na dimension la ya understand so sa tonto le fanam bu dole mu aksono tala pour nga je konoto tendi dole mu ko den kata miti wala ñu tata office ko president office tendi tara siri nuclear information manda wala na ñu ko play nata kana diam ko al nga finding wol council ba ñu fele international conference la de kere min ya lon ko ñenta pour ko fanam mako yele be moro ke yele kolke so ñing kam nga tanga finding wol fanam ni ci ba no be siri jangata nga foye after to mu la office la ko daje ni jeme si final phone call da do fenta kala babali abibe kala vision neti nga itanda to la ko ñine fota wala tan findi dal kanam pour que ñi itanda la ko ñine be kere wala mbesi jande nga pesenta ñomi ngadi man bi webe ci no do moy fonko du mano ngadi fa mano tu sanden ya benefit so sanden fo nga time ta fo nga fem bi nga commence en sok sitala so wotano nga biya wala fo nga fe nakale min comme ça mantano tu nga min be foy ma keno still now the same thing tol fanta sonna wala bi ba man ko tourisme bi na nyamin tendi a bambandi mbakale ya beta ya fo ñu ko tourisme be nyami anim plan so be kerinte ni yo moy kami a leading hotel in the Gambia Kairaba Beach Hotel woy ñi manya sifaka mune fula min booking kenantende the tour operators on be Europe tele mune kenola this is a good move to us but ngata ngana patient tan kanam fauna fongota ngana fonko busim fambul na demande ron fon lafta min mbasot lale ate bayla mumen namen so ay nan noma ndol bi de noma ko la nga ñu kumandi min famo jaw yala ñinti but hansa nga patient ta nga ñom mako nga ñomoy nga dun konoto min ngenta min kala ngake nga ñum mo soxi ñun tida han den je mon clatin so do tida no without any correct information to the president or any other of their senior men. To the senior and the president and the minke. The Daniel Ka, whether I'm clear, Jenny Bol, the clear. Don't move like Konoto.
Excuse me, everybody.
So, please, as Ibrahim Saho has said already, we are all matured people. And the reason why we leave our homes to come here is because to work and then take something for our family. So now you have your complaints, we put the complaints to the GM. But we should also not jeopardize the job. Because if the job is spoiled, then we still stay at home. So let's try to go inside. Everything has been said already. Everything right?
Hello. Please, listen to me now. Let everybody listen to me. What I'm saying is, we are talking, we are under a strong dialogue, and it is going to be successful because what we demand, they are working on it. So let everybody go inside and work. Please, listen to me, I mean. You know me, I know what I'm saying is correct. We have discussed over many issues and they will be solved. We have discussed over many issues. So please, you can go in and let the work be done. And that cannot after GM, you can go inside.
Okay. Say, I'm gonna say.
Is it possible for us to take
Silence, the GM is coming to talk.
Listen, yeah. Sir, yeah, the executive. Listen. Okay, I never be alone. You know, better the good language. Most of them. And you know, ninka toto them. You know, most of them never say that. So let everybody listen. Okay. Yes, want to talk. But let's listen.
Let us listen to GM now.
Okay. Stop the TV, please. Okay, stop the telephone. Stop. Hello. Good afternoon to everybody, okay? If I tell something, okay, to the TV, because it's about the reputation, okay? Now, everybody knows about the problem, okay? And for the tourism and for the industry, of the best hotel in Gambia, okay? Our meeting point and FTI, okay, is to increase the tourism in Gambia as an operation to a very rich operation to bring more flights and more tourism to our hotels, okay? And it's not about only about the hotels or about the people who working in the hotels. It's about the economy in Gambia, all right? Okay, but the big issues are now, okay? We have two possibilities, okay?
Can we listen to each other, please?
Okay. I was in a meeting with the people for the government and also with the committee, okay? About the issues, about the point you give to me yesterday evening, okay? About the most important thing, about salary, okay? I will speak in the last point. About the Moscow, okay? About the canteen, okay? If you don't like the new canteen, is any problem? We can come back to the canteen, the old canteen again. That is not the problem, you know? Okay, about the food, okay, I will speak with the people from the kitchen to improve the food inside and the quality about food. That is not any problem, all right? Okay, please. Okay, about salaries, because I think the big problem is about salary, okay? Yeah, okay, about salary. Now, everybody, if you want to listen, I can speak. If not, I'm going inside to my office, okay? Okay, about salary, everybody knows in Germany, in the head office, I was speaking with the head human resource. Probably many people knows who is. It's Damien Milton. I'm so worried, and now he's in the office to the president with Mr. Guns to try to looking for the best solution for that. Also, the CEO from Canary Island, Mr. Oscar Ramos and Alirio Perez know everything about that, okay? And then I will come back to my office to speak with our president, okay? Because also, I'm a staff from that company. I have a contract, okay? And then I will do my best about the salary, okay? I will try to looking for a good solution for everybody. But the possibility is to come to do the job inside the hotel, because now, for me, it's so embarrassed, and probably for Turnbull and for the rest of the people to stay inside, is for conference. The people are worried because it's impossible to do nothing inside. Has a lunch, has many things. That is a possibility to come to job, okay? I'm totally agree with the list of the point, okay? And I try to do my best and to give a solution to the committee for the hotel. I will speak with Ebrima during that days to try to looking for the best solution. But the solution now is to come to the job and to do the best for the job, or if not, I take the decision to close the hotel because it's impossible to do nothing, okay? And then that is your decision. If you want to come, you have the possibility to close the hotel, you know, because it's impossible to do nothing. But the decision is about to you. But I promise to do my best about the salary, okay?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, also, it's the people for the government is here.
Official, the president.
So mimba kering after here natol mutapa dokola ntol nate ka move ko tanga nala management kata the rest of the conditions exhaust, okay? Beba kelale maybe atol mantol alma molong wala kina beba kelale
your mama baja after bunda ele you point that the mama is like
Sorry. So are you satisfied with what has been said?
I'm not satisfied because it is not in a written document. He said that he promised. Everything can be failed, so nobody knows.
So you're going back to work?
Sorry?
You're going back to work?
Yeah, they say we go back to work because our leader said that we must go back to work. So we don't know. We don't have a choice what to do. So let's go to work.
You know all the problem is here. We are the
You're not here for that. You're not here for that. You're here for your own. Please, no, not that. Bro, you're not here for that, man. Please.
Go to work, please. Go and do your responsibility. Need a major